Everything we knew about the solar system just 50 years ago, we got primarily from the back end of a telescope or from meteorites that fell. And when the meteorites fell, and we wanted to know where they came from and what their composition was, this mission will make enormous strides, answering so many questions that have come up in those 50 years. OSIRIS-REx is a mission in NASA's new Frontiers program designed to rendezvous with a near-Earth asteroid named Bennu, survey it in great detail, select a location on the surface to send the spacecraft down to collect 60 grams or more of sample for return to Earth for analysis in our laboratories. The challenge of finding a tag site on Bennu that met our original criteria was very hard. Well, quite honestly, this team thrives on challenge. So even though we knew we had work to go, I never doubted for a moment we would. We would solve that puzzle, that we would crack that nut, and we would safely get the spacecraft down to the surface. We had kind of expected the unexpected. This team was ready to be surprised. 2.1. I don't. And we are live here at Lockheed Martin in Littleton, Colorado for a truly historic event. In just a few moments from now, NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft is going to actually arrive at the asteroid Bennu. Yeah, so today is what we call arrival. So when we reach 20 kilometers from the asteroid, what we're going to do is do a burn to put us into the precision flying regime that we'll be doing for the next year and a half or so in order to map and discover all we can about the OSIRIS-REx and determine the best possible place to go get a sample of the asteroid and bring it back. A little nervous, a little excited. I mean, after this burn is completed, we're going to be approximately 7 kilometers away from the new at the closest approach, so it's exciting, a little intimidating. It's a lot of feelings going through me right now. It's going to be the first U.S. mission to return a sample from an asteroid, and in fact, this is going to be the largest sample return since the Apollo program brought back the moon rocks. This is NASA's first asteroid sample return mission. NASA has had other sample return missions, most famously the Apollo program, which brought back over 300 kilograms of lunar material, which we're still analyzing today to unravel the history of the moon and the Earth, moon system and the origin of our solar system. But there's been nothing like OSIRIS-REx in NASA's repertoire. I like to call it the daredevil spacecraft, right? We just zipped around this asteroid like a hummingbird. And it's one of the things the microgravity environment does for you is that you can stop. You can start, you can turn left, you can turn right, you can go into orbit, you can leave orbit.